teach you all a dancey dance. First, I want to bring in some of my special friends. All right. Now this is DJ Wara and the Junior Jam. Now, the dancey dance I'm going to teach you is called Razzle Dazzle. First, let's see those glitter hands. Then, we're going this way to that way. Over here and over there.
Over here, over there.
This side, then this side.
This side and this side.
Laser beam up, laser beam up.
Laser beam up.
Razzle dazzle.
Razzle dazzle.
All right, I think you're ready. Let's do it, everybody.
Come on, here we go.
Glitter hands, glitter hands, glitter hands, glitter hands. Razzle dazzle. Razzle